Hello, hello everyone. Able to hear me? Yeah, my name is Kumaresan Silvaraj. So I'm the founder of this one, Babaji Robot Terror and the Babaji MTV system. So today we are going to discuss about the volume and the candlestick pattern. Okay, because already the time has passed, so I'm just making it straight to the point. Okay. Yeah, please everyone just log into the Alex Blue account. So here we have the market bar section. So here we can see all the symbol section. Okay. So here we have the buy, sell, and we have the chart option. Just open the chart option. Things that after opening the chart, we have the option to change the studies. So basically we have the time frame section. That's the 1 minute, 5 minutes, and the 10 minutes and the 15 minutes. For intraday, we can use the 15-minute session. Okay. After that, in the display, just open the display. So here you have the various vertical chart styles. First is the candlestick. Okay. The candlestick bar chart and the colored bars and the line. So if you want to see the candlestick, just open the candlestick and we can see the charts. So basically, when you're trading only with the candlestick, we are focusing on the pin bar reversal. It means that so whenever the market is getting reversal, so we get the pin bar. Everybody knows the pin bar, right? Okay, what is pin bar? Okay, actually the pin bar means whenever the market is getting changed from the buy to sell or from the sell to buy, we get one typical pattern that is called a hammer or the doji. We can say it as a that means that there is the opposite direction. Whenever the market is getting fall, we get clearly as like a red candle, right? Suddenly, when there is the huge bias in the market, all the selling will be covered. Okay, and we can see one there is a pin bar. It means that actually we can see one long tail either in the upside or the downside. Okay, so that is called the pin bar. In the chart you can see here, so this is the one pin bar. Okay, don't think it as that is the upward hammer or the downward hammer. We just focus only on the long tail, either on the upside or the downside. So that is the exact pin bar, right? So we can see here, so this is a pin bar. We got one small head, and the bottom we have one long as like a pin. We got one tail. Okay, everybody clear? Firstly, I am loading the chart of Vedanta. We can see in the 15-minute chart, we can see the market opened yesterday at the gap up and started falling, and we can see able to hear. So that correct. It will look like as like a hammer only. Okay. So we can see here the Vedanta from the top it started falling. So we have the what you call the candlestick started forming, right? So these are the unclear candle. We don't know whether it will move high or bottom, right? So we just focus on the pin bar, exact pin bar. We can see here there is one pin bar here. Okay, and the market started moving within two candle. So it started moving higher. Why? Because the pin bar just indicate whether there is a buyer or seller in the market. So when the market opened higher and started falling down and down, suddenly when we are seeing the pin bar, we should be aware that market is going for a reversal. Okay. Okay, after that we can see here within two candle, we can see there is a pressure in the market, upward pressure, and again we can see here market started heading down, but we can see there are how many pins at the bottom. We can see here there are a lot of what you call long wicks, long wicks at the bottom. So this shows clearly the market is not going downward, right? So market is a mode of pushing this stock to the high end. So this is clear up to this point. Understood? Everyone understood this one? So there is no need of any other candlestick pattern. Only we are focusing on the pin bar only. Okay. So pin bar we can see I can show you in the whole chart also. We can see at the end of the day there is one big pin bar, right? So here we can see there is one pin here, right? We can see there's a pin here. So we can see the market started moving higher and higher. When the high rate we are getting one long way. So this is the pin actually. Okay. So this is exactly the pin bar. So we have to initiate the sell below this candle. Suppose if it is a buy, we can see there is a pin here started moving down and moving down, and we are getting a buy. This candle we got a downward wick. So we have to take a long on the high break of this candle. Okay, crude. I will show you in the crude oil also. Okay, so this is a crude oil chart. We can see clearly. So here we have the market started here. So we can see there is one pin bar. I can zoom in and show you. Yes, not only crude oil, it will work on all the index. Okay, so here we can see yesterday crude oil started at this point and started moving vertical down and down. Whenever there is a buying pressure, so they are putting on vertical pin bar reversal here. So there is a pin here, the pin again, and started move again. But we can see again there is a pin in the form of a doji and started moving down. So when the market reached at the very extreme point, we can see here there is one big pin. I'll remove the volume so you can see it clearly. Okay. So now we can see in the crude oil chart. Yesterday there is a huge fall in the market, and we can see. So this is one bigger pin. So we have to understand in the mind. So whenever we are getting one pin bar, right, it means that market is vertical going for as like a not enough move to go in the same direction. So this is the market started falling here, and there is one vertical big pin bar. So we have to initiate a long on the high break of this one by keeping the stop loss of the low of the pin bar. So this is a vertical simple strategy. Whenever you're getting a pin bar, you have to keep it in the mind. The market is going for a reversal. You have to take a long on the high break of this candle by keeping the stop loss of the low of the pin bar. We can see same for sell also. The market started moving higher and higher. Suddenly there is one vertical, the big vertical pin bar is there. Okay, so there is a one big at the candle. So we are going to take a short on this candle. When there is a low break, we are going for a sell by keeping the SL as a high of the candle. The risk is defined. The risk is defined on the high or the low of the particular pin bar. No, there is no need of considering whether that is a red candle or there is a green or red. Okay, so we are focusing on the point where that is coming the pin bar. Suppose if there is a sell, we can see from the market open there's a gap down and started moving down. So the morning trend is down. So we are looking for the buying pin bar. Question asked by Jay Chandran. So that is the thing. So there is no need of what you call whether there is a green or red. We are focusing on whether there is a pressure, opposite pressure. So if there is opposite pressure, it will be reflected in the mean of the pin bar. Understood? Everybody understood? Yeah. Thing is, I am coming to that point. Actually, this one, what you call Abhinav has asked it. Does volume make any changes? So first, if you are clear with the pin bar, then you can go ahead with the volume, right? So when you are going with the volume tool, because in the older times we seen as a volume as a separate one, but here in the Allies Blue, right, they given a chart very beautiful that is called display. We have to go for a display, and there is one option called volume candle. So please select everyone the volume candle. Need any confirmation candle? No, because this pin bar itself the confirmation candle. Okay, when you see a pin bar, so that is the candle the market is going for a reversal. Okay, time frame things that we can choose any time frame because for intraday we are choosing a 15 minutes. If you want to carry the position, we have to see it for hourly for about like for this 2 or 3 days. When you go for a longer, then we go for a weekly also. Understood? Everybody understood this point? So now I have made a vertical change in the display. So from the candle, so this is a normal candlestick we are seeing from the very beginning. Okay, what about 5 minutes, sir? Okay, we can use on any time frame that is applicable on all the time frame, but for intraday perspective, when you are going for intraday trader, right, we can't sit for longer time frame, longer duration because when you go for crude oil, we have to sit for 11 o'clock, right? So for the time, actually, we are going for simply 15 minutes. The 15 minutes is a what we standard time frame for all the big traders. Okay, so that's why I'm choosing a 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, if you're seeing a pin bar, okay, so that means that there is a market having the huge potential to get reversed. Okay, so we are taking only on the long when there is a high break by keeping the SL the low of the candle. When you're going for a sell, When there is a low break, go for a sell by keeping the SL as the high of the candle. Understood? Everybody understood? Okay, now I'm changing to your display the volume candle. Okay. Target, we can keep any target. Okay. Suppose if you are taking the buy here, suppose this is the pin bar, right? So if you are taking the high break, okay, Amit Rao asking again. Okay, please tell again. So thing is, I'm just repeating one more time. So first we are seeing the trend of that particular day. Suppose this is a crude oil chart. First we are seeing the trend. So trend means what is the open trend? Suppose if the market is open at the gap down, it means that particular day the mood of the trader is in sell. Suppose if it is open gap up, means the mood of the trader is in buy. Okay, so we should not go on there is no need about go on selling at the vertical wedge of the market, that is by market open, because at the time there is a lot of confusion in the market whether it will go up or down. Okay, so we are focusing on the pin bar to make our trade more successful. Okay, so whenever the market is vertical started moving higher on low and higher, we are noticing one bar called pin bar. The pin bar means both the vertical sellers, suppose we can see here the market is vertical, they came down. Okay, after that we are seeing one bar with the longer wick. Okay, so that is called the pin bar. So when the high of the candle is broken, it means the mood has shifted from the sell to buy. So this time we have to go for a long when there's a high break of this candle by keeping the stop loss as the low of this candle. Okay, Amit. So when the low of the candle is getting broken, that is the SL for this one. There will be a huge sell order will be there again. So I will cover later at the time. So here, so whenever there is a high break, we are going for a long by keeping SL as the low of the candle. Same for the sell. Whenever the low of the candle is broken, okay, we are going for a sell by keeping SL as a high of the candle. We are thinking only for the longer wick. So pin bar mean it should be longer wick. We should see the thing is that you should have a longer wick. We should compare, the human have the comparison, right? So we should compare the older candles and we have to compare with the wick. So when you're seeing this chart, so we can see all the previous things. We can see there is one small wick here at the start of the day. After that we are seeing one doji out here. So with the smaller wick, again we have the one small. The wick the thing we are focusing is the wick of the candle. The wick means that the price is not agreed by the sell or the buyers. How many longs? No, we can take long or sell, depends on the wick only. We are not judging the market. We are just we are understanding the factor, the whatever the market gives. From there we are taking the positions. Okay. Understood? Everybody understood? Adib, there's 40%. There is no need of 40 or 50%. So we are just focusing only on the wick. Longer wick means the price is not agreed by the seller or the buyer. If the wick is in downside, it means that there is the sellers and the buyer, there is a disagreement between the prices. The buyer thinking that the price is very cheaper. But if the wick is coming at the top, it means that the price is the more expensive. The seller want to come into the picture. Okay. So now we're moving to the volume candles. Okay. The first thing in the display we are changing to the volume candle. Okay. So here we can see that. So this is the beautiful picture with the volume. So basically previously we seen as like a candle separate and the volume separate. Okay. So here in the chart with the candle we are adding one volume. Okay. So here in the picture it says that the morning we got one huge volume here. Okay. After that we can see the small candle. These are with the lesser volume. Okay. The basic principle of the volume candle is whenever we are getting a huge volume in a candle, okay, it means that that particular direction will be supported by the market. It means that the trend will just continue. We can see here, this is the morning trend. So if you can take a little risk, you can take sell at the morning open itself after the next 15 minutes by keeping the stop loss of the first candle. Okay, Rajkumar, I'll just explain with this one. After completing, I will show different scripts. Okay, different script equity. So there you can understand very clearly, because crude oil is a very tougher script. Once you understand the crude oil, you can understand the stocks very easily. Okay. So so if you find the huge volume in the what do you call, if the candle having the huge volume, okay. So it will be shown as like a bigger candle, okay, with the volume. Okay, please take Q and answer later. Okay, okay, man. I think is that I can show here. The crude oil actually when it started at the morning, okay, it is shown as like the bigger bearish candle, okay, with a huge volume, okay. So we if you can take a risk, you can go for a sell at this candle, same candle, and you can keep the SL as the high of the candle, because after that we can see there are only small candles. Suppose if you just miss this opportunity, okay, again it's giving an opportunity at this candle. Okay, again that is giving opportunity at this candle. Okay, only by means of volume and the candlestick pattern we are taking this trade. There is no other indicators. We are just with the simple what you call the candlestick pattern and the volume, we can predict what you call 90% of the market. Okay, which direction it will go. Okay, depends on the risk. So we can take the position or not. That is depends on the individual the client risk. Okay, so we can see here actually this is the first morning trade we got. Suppose if I missed it, this one, we can go for this candle. Okay, when there is a because we can see this is as like a comparative study. The first candle is the bigger volume, the next is not, and for this candle, even though that is a what you call selling, that's looking as like a now. Okay, now we're able to see this one. We can see the first candle is a what you call bearish one with the huge volume. After that, these are the small candles. Again, we are getting one bigger volume. Again, the market trying to move up, but there is no volume. The volume is dried up. Again, we are getting one selling volume. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it given a huge volume at the downside. So from here we can just confirm it. The trend is a what you call very bearish. We should not take any buy position. We should take sell position only at this moment, right? From this moment we can take a sell position. Suppose if you miss this opportunity, wait for the bigger candle, wait for the volume candle with the bigger volume, with the bigger picture. Okay, then we are taking the position. We can go for a sell here by keeping SL as this high of the candle. Again we can go for the sell of this one, and they can keep the SL of the high of this candle. Stop loss won't be taken by, they won't hit the stop loss. We can see here there is no stop loss taken on this candle, this candle, this candle. Again there is no stop loss not taken. Again stop loss is not taken because the big players won't allow us to hit the stop loss. Okay, understood everyone. So here with this one we can understand one thing. Okay, suppose if with the volume we can add up we can add up the pin bar also, right? If you are finding the pin bar, we can see there is one pin bar here with one good volume. Whenever the volume is higher, the width of the candle will just keep on increasing. Okay, so we can see the width of the candle is very long when you compare with the previous one. So it shows that there is one good volume out here. Understood everyone? So that suppose if there is no volume, it will be very small, very thin. It won't be very big at all. It will be very small only. Okay. So we are focusing on the pin bar with the bigger volume for the reversal. If you find the bigger volume, go for the long break for the buy for the high. If the high is broken, go for the long. Then for the sell, if the low is broken, go for the sell. Okay. Understood everyone? So I'm just showing for the As we can go for the trade, we can go for the sell or buy trade. Uh, Depends on the wick and the volume. Here, even though this is a green one, when the low is broken, we are going for sell trade only because the wick is in a top side. Understood, everyone? The color of the candle is not matter, um, but if the color of the candle is bullish and the wick is in downside, then that is a very huge bullish pattern. So here you can see here. So this is one bigger candle. This is a bullish one. When the high is broken, that is going for the long. This we are thinking only on the volume perspective. Okay. So with this one, we are adding the vertical with the vertical the pin bar also. So with the pin bar with the volume, that is 100% confirmed candle. It will be either opposite direction, okay, or there will be a trend confirmation in the same one. Okay, with the same thing actually we can because okay, with this identify whether the stock is going up uptrend or downtrend. So because for the uptrend and downtrend you can use only simply the volume. Okay, if the volume is huge, okay, then you can take the trade for the long or the short. Okay. Okay, fine. That's all for this session. If you have any Q&A, you can post the Q&A. So for this session, we have seen the pin bar and the volume. So how we can utilize the pin bar for the reversal? How we can utilize only for the volume for the trend direction. Either that is in a buy and sell, and we just mixed up both the pin bar and the volume. Understood? Okay, I will show some stocks also. Okay, my favorite is a VDL. Okay, so VDL we can see. Okay, see, we can see this is a on 16th we got a huge volume candle. So this is the huge volume with the high. So we can take a long here. Okay, so we can see this is yesterday. Okay, this is yesterday one. Okay, the market open at the gap up. Okay, I think that after that it started. Okay, we want Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, first I will show you for VDL. So here we can see market started higher and just started moving down, and we have on the pin bar here. So pin bar means it should have the opposite wick, right? Opposite wick of the trend. Suppose if the trend is in downside, if it's showing a wick of opposite side, so we had to wait for the volume for confirmation, and we are taking the trade. Okay, so here we can see there is one big the big candle. After that we have what we call bearish volume. After that we have the two candles. Here we are getting the wick, but the wick is not enough having the volume because we can see the volume is very less. So that's why it has what we call went down again, but we can see here the wicks are at the bottom. The huge there are 4 to 5 pin bars on the opposite direction. So so we can make as like a whenever there is a pin bar high is broken, we can take a long. Okay, RSI is not needed because RSI for this strategy RSI is not needed. Okay, tell me something on AP update. Okay, thing is that we are giving the buy sell indicator also. So with the data feed. So these are website M6 and chart. So we are selling the feed at the 500 rupees per month. When you are going for with data, that is a 4,500 rupees for 1 year. So with the buy sell signal, that is coming 10,000 rupees for the full year. With that, we are giving as like a bridging software. So that will connect from this on MT4 to the Alex Blue directly. So these are our robo. So you can visit our site babajirobotrader.com. So this is one beautiful software we just created. So from the MT4, we are giving the signal in the directly from the MT4. So from the MT4 that will go for the bridging, Alexblu bridging directly. So the people can visit this site about babajirobotrade.com for the bridging, API bridging. Yes, we are giving the trial version. The trial is for 2 days trial, so you can take the trial for 2 days. For this one, so you can visit the download section. So in the downloads, we given as like the full setup for this Alexblu API. So just you can download this one and you can register it. So the demo will be valid for 2 days. After that, you have to go to the top section. So here in the demos, so we have one form. So just you can fill this form. So you get the ID and password for the demo. Using trial, we can do real trading. Yes, we can do the real trading, of course. Okay, for the mobile version, because this will use only with the VPS only. So when you're going for with the VPS, we'll do we'll install everything in the VPS and we just give it to you through the mail so you can see the software. Okay, do we need API to be enabled? No, we have the we have the direct tie with the Alexblu. So we have the master API. So there is no need of getting the this one individual APIs. So just you can visit our home page. So in the home page we given a video demo. So just you can go through this video demo. So here we have one what we call login to Alexblu. Simply we have to press the login to Alexblu button. It will be logged in automatically. In the setting we have to give it the what we call Alexblu what we call ID and password. I think after that we are given login to Alexblu, it will get activated automatically. What is the success rate of robo? Okay, robo trading in commodity. Okay, for robo trading, we have the strategy. We have the buy sell strategy. So I can show you the buy sell strategy also. But this is our vertical strategy. That's called RSL 2.0 plus strategy. So here in the Bank Nifty, we have the two call. Yesterday we got morning one sell call, and after that we got one buy call. After the arrow, when the high is broken, it will take a long call. For the sell, when the low is broken, they will go for a sell trade. Okay, to initiate auto trading, first you have to install the software from our website, babajirobotrader.com. So there in the downloads, we given a setup file. First you have to install the setup file. After that, you can activate the demo for 2 days. Yeah, yes. To place a trade, actually, whenever the arrow mark is coming, okay, this will place the order directly to the Alexblu through our software, through our vertical Alexblu software. So we have the software. I'll show you the software. So this software in the top we have the option to log into Alexblu. Thing is that after login in the second step we have to select the symbols here. Then after that it will be added over here. After that we can start it. Once that is done, we have to integrate with the MT4 symbol. So in this in the robo we have the option either we can place a manual order also, or we can integrate with our vertical. You see. Yes, here we have this one the symbol. We have the the CMP signal entry, target stop loss, everything we can set it in the robo. From the MT4, if you're showing a buy sell signal, this robo will send order directly to the exchange. Okay, can I plan my own strategy? Yes, if you have a own strategy, right? So you can integrate with our robo. Okay, software support for Mac. Suppose if you are using a Mac, so you have to go for with the VPS only. So through the VPS, you can just use this software. Okay, Vimal, do you provide strategy also? Yes, we have shown the strategy. That is from the MT4. So that will give the buy sell signals. Accordingly, the portion will be taken by the robo automatically. I think is that for this offer, actually we given one offer out here. That is for 1 year. That is 20,000 rupees. Who are taking now, so they can take an offer. It's like for 1 year, 20,000 rupees. So with the strategy, with the data feed, and with robo, so that is covering everything. That is for 20,000 rupees for 1 year. Okay. When you're going for a monthly subscription, that is coming 5,000 rupees monthly. Because when you're going for yearly only, we have offer that is for what you call 20,000 rupees for full year. I think all our softwares are the complete what you call back tested only. So we are given the complete report also here over here. So just you can check it out. This is only for MT4 to the Alice Blue. This robo is the fully automatic robo. The morning once you have to start the robo, the full day trade will be done automatically by the robo automatically. So here has strategy in the MT4. Through the MT4 strategy, the trade will be taken by the robo automatically. No, because with this costing actually for 20,000 rupees for 1 year, that is covering what your full data feed, strategy, and the robo. Okay, I think is that what Hemant is given. Can you start the robo before open market? Yes, we can start the robo before market opens. Okay, we are giving 3 strategy with this one. Yes, Ravi, we are giving 3 strategy with this one. Does it support Mac? Actually, this software this is for Windows only. If you are suppose if you want to go for the Mac, then you have to purchase the VPS cloud system. That is a virtual private. We are giving the cost only about 1,000 rupees extra for 1 month. There is a monthly that will be 5,000 plus 1,000 that will become 6,000 rupees for 1 month. Do we need to select everything? The morning we have to start the MT4 and we are starting the robo and we can select the symbol. In the home page we given a complete video, right? How we can start the robo. This is all about 5 minutes. Everybody so can have a go. The thing is that this is a Windows. This is not a mobile version, but we can see it in the mobile through the through a VPS, through the cloud system, through the VPS system. So with that one we can see the trades. I think that here now we just integrated only for this one MAS and for NRML system only. So C orders, B order, it will future that will be available. Actually, this is completely different than the robo that is given by the Alice Blue. This is our own self-made robo. So we can trade up to about 50 symbols at that time. With the custom, actually we are giving the strategy with that one. Yes, we can exit between the trade. We have the option called close trade. So in the robo we have the option called close trade. Suppose if you want to take the manual buy sell also, we are given the button the buy sell, so we can press the button and we can take a trade. In case if you want to close or want to cover the position, we can just simply press the close trade. Then after that we can give the maximum risk, the total profit and for total risk and for time to square up, everything we can set it in the robo. This is a completely a full feature robo. And the currently for Alice Blue we are giving the software. For if you want to use it for the Zerodha, we have the one more software. So that will connect with the other brokers. Yes, we have the chart is visible in our system. So this is our chart. So the chart will give the buy sell indication as like a sell and buy. Suppose if you are loading crude for Bank Nifty and this is for Nifty and this is for gold. So gold morning that given a sell call. So with the target one with the stop loss level, we are giving everything in the chart. So 46153 that is a sell. So target 1, then target 2, stop loss. So we can adjust the time frame. If you're going for a positional, we can change it to hourly or 4 hours also. So for gold, hourly also they're given a sell. Okay, we will ask for training to operate the software is given. Yes, we will give the training and we given the complete detail in the videos also. Yes, for same strategy for all the for gold, Nifty, Bank Nifty, for crude oil also. There's the MCRO, that is a crude oil. So this is a crude oil chart basically. For intraday, we can set 15 minutes. So we can see yesterday there is no call. We got one continuous call. That's a sell trade. Then after that, buy about the mid of the day, we got one buy trade. For day for yesterday, we got one buy call and for sell in the crude oil. In previous days, we got one continuous sell trade. This is in a 15-minute session. So if you want to go for like for 30 and for hourly 4 hours, you have to change the time frame in the MT. Okay, the percentage will be taken by the robo automatically. I think is the only thing we have to set whether we want to trade MAS or the NRML. The fees is what about 20,000 rupees for full year. Okay, thank you for everyone for joining this one. So be safe, stay at home, right? Everything will become all right. The hope will be normal sooner. Okay, answer us. There is a demo for today. Yes, demo will be 2 days. So you can visit our site, babajirobotrade.com. So you can see your you can fill the vertical detail in the demo. You get the demo ID and password. In the demos, we given the setup file. So just you can install the setup file. The video session we given the complete detail. What are the features about this robo, right? So how we can do for the full body this one the setup installation. Okay, sure, Vimal. First, anyone, thank you very much. Deep Noorani. Oh, strategy not clear yet. Why? What happened? Actually, I just explained for this more than about 45 minutes for this strategy only. Okay, the candlestick in Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty APR. Okay, Mr. Kaushal has asked for a BNF chart. There's a Bank Nifty chart. So here the same things are applicable for all the trade. First we are seeing for the pin bar. Okay, so with the vol limit that is 100% confirmed. So we can see yesterday there's a Bank Nifty chart. We can see the wick on the bottom and top, but here we can see there is a huge volume with the wick at the bottom. We can see that the two candle is confirmed with the wick at the bottom. After the market is moved higher, but we are getting a wick at the top. We can trade as per the pin bar. We can take the trade here, right? We can go for the sell trade. Okay, but we can see there are the big volume happening on this candle with the wick on the bottom, right? So we are not thinking about whether that is a bullish or bearish. We are thinking on the direction of the wick. If it is a downside, high break, go for the buy. If it is on the high side, okay, in the opposite, that's in the top. When the low break, go for the sell trade. So here, with the volume that is getting a market giving a clue, right? So which direction the market is going to move, right? So we can see here we are getting the downside. After that, we are getting a VIX. So we have to assume when this candle high is broken, okay, this one, okay, when the high is broken, go for the long. That's all. Understood? Should the next candle break the pin bar or the break? Thing is that we just focusing on the bar, right? The bar high. Whichever candle that is breaking the high, go for the trade. That's all. Even if it is vertical 10 bar after also, when the high is broken, go for the trade. Okay, everybody understood? Yes, with the pin bar, you should have the bigger volume, right? So we can see here. So this is the pin bar, right? The pin bar with the bigger flat. If the candle is very flat, means that is having a bigger volume. Okay. It has the high and the low has to broken. I'll show in the what you call daily. Then you can understand. I think much better. I'll show in the daily. So this is the Bank Nifty chart. Okay, there is one clue. The Bank Nifty is already gone for a huge reversal. I think the reversal is going to continue. It may reach what you call either what you call 25,000 or for 30,000 also very sooner. So who are not taken any buy, they can take at this level, and you have to keep on averaging the levels, right? Suppose if you have gone for the buy on this level, uh, when the market moved about some another about some 2,000 point down, then you can average the position. I'm saying for long term equity perspective, not for intraday. Okay, by using this one, you can take the what do you call the call or put. First, we are seeing the big candle. Okay, if the big candle and with the pin bar, when the high is broken, go for the call trade. When there's a big candle, when the low is broken, go for the put trade. So this we can see. This is the Bank Nifty chart. We can see there is one. The market started the falling with the very thin volumes over here. We can see there is a very thin volume. Suddenly there is a big volume out here with the what do you call with the huge sell-offs. Okay, but here we can see there's one small wicks happening at the downside. It means that the market is market actually the big people are they keep on buying the market. They keep on what is supporting the market, and we can see there is a big candle here, and with the longer with the heavy bullish pattern and with the big volume. So we can see this is our target. If the market moves, so this will be our target, first target. For the Bank Nifty, we can see the first target will be 25,646. In the meantime, very soon we can expect it. And with we can see there's one big flat candle. There's a huge vertical with candle. So this is with the vertical heavy with the volume that has moved up, and the market has broken the low over here. Again, there is a volume. Thing is that as for our thing, actually, volume is too high. When the low broken with the pin bar, we can say that wick at the top. When the low is broken, go for a sell trade. That's it. Understood, everyone? And we can place vertical with the same strategy also. So no, we can choose any symbols. Thing is according to our need. If you are a Bank Nifty trader, choose the Bank Nifty future. There is no method. The stock or the script should have the good momentum. That's all. The robo we can place the buy and sell orders in the vertical say in the same strategy. Okay, any more Q&A? I think I have answered for all the questions. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, for intraday 15 minutes candle. I think that for intraday we are using a 15 minutes candle. Sir. Yes, for the thing is that actually for trading the BINA for the Bank Nifty future, we are suppose if you're trading option also, see only the future, right? How the future moves. I think accordingly you can trade the option also. Mangnesh, right? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, Mr. Adib has asked it without giving any long wick yesterday. So do you have to take it? Suppose if there is no wick, don't take any positions because it will create you panic in your mind. So if there is a wick with the good volume, go for the trade. If there is no wick, don't take the trade. Okay, what is the difference between future and option? Mr. Abhinav has asked it. Okay, so basically the previously we have only the vertical stocks only. From the stock, they had derived the vertical the two things. That is one future. That is the options. These are the derivatives. That is from the stock. Suppose if you are holding a stock, okay, from the stocks, okay, we can hedge using the futures and options. or we can directly trade the futures and options. These are the derivative. Why the derivative came into the picture? That's a very simple. Suppose if you have the large capital, the thing is that you are going to buy stocks. Okay. If you have the small capital, okay, then you can play with the future and options. The future or the moderate margin, options are the excess, very vertical, less margin. You can make the same profit as like the futures. Okay. The things about more on the topics I have just given in our YouTube channel, babajmtsystem.com. So just you can go through our this YouTube channel. So there we given the complete detail about the future option and for the option straddles, triangles, and all the detail we given our YouTube channel, Babaji MTU System. Okay, Nifty future to explain one more time. Okay, this is a Nifty futures. So I'm just opening this chart. Okay, I think the number of symbols got more in the market watch list. So that's why we can able to add. Because more than mostly other lecture only the 30 only. Okay, this is the vertical Nifty. So for intraday we can choose 15 minutes. So just choose 15 minutes. We can see here same as like the pattern in the Bank Nifty. See here we are getting a 2 weeks here. The pin bar here, the long wick. So you have to wait for the confirmation. That is a high break of this one, this candle. So and we can take a long trade. That's all. It's so simple. When you started practicing it, then you can realize the whole strength of this particular strategy. See, after 12 p.m. it was clueless. So that's why I'm saying to what you call watch the volume also. If you're simply seeing the candlestick, you won't get any clue. Mr. Rabbit, that's the thing. So if you are seeing only the volume, only the candlestick, you won't get any clues. So that's why we are mixing with the pin bar reversal and the volume to make it clue. I think that we are seeing only with the longer wick. First, you have to understand the pin bar, right? Then only we so you can understand the whole concept. Pin bar, longer wick on the opposite direction, right? So here we can see the market open gap and started falling and having the huge wick on the downside. When the high is broken, we are going for the long trade. When the low is broken, suppose if the wick is on opposite side, we have to take a sell trade. We can see, so here we got one big volume here. After the market started falling here, in between we have the pin bar. We can see there is one pin bar here. Able to see. So this is one pin bar here. When the high is broken, we are going for a long, right? Okay. Because the volume happened here, we can fix this here also. With the huge volume at here. Okay, great. Okay, hope I just cleared all your doubts. Okay, thank you for everyone. Bye.